Welcome back YouTube to another video. This time this is gonna be part 1 of the Kotlin series that I will be doing. Kotlin is a language that is similar to Java that we can use to mainly create Android apps. Throughout this course I will be only covering the basics of Kotlin. You will learn about variables, if statements, how to get input from the user, and so on. We are going to start with downloading the IDE for this language. We are going to be using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So I'll provide the download link below. What you're going to do is this: download, and then you're going to click on Community and download. Now it's going to start downloading. I already have it installed, so you just follow the steps of the installer and you'll be good. Now this is IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So now let's just get into our programming. So let's create a new project. I'm gonna name it as YouTube project. And it's gonna be console application, and it's Gradle Kotlin, and project SDK is 15, and next, and just finish, and then you'll be good. Now it's gonna build the project, so when it finishes you may continue the video. Now the project has finished building and we have all the things we need over here. So open up YouTube project and src, that's short for source, main, Kotlin, and open up main kt. Now there's gonna be some stuff in this because we selected the template as console application, so we are gonna go ahead and click on run and run, and make sure you run that. Now it's gonna take a few moments to start building it, and after that we can experiment on it. So the program has finished running, and now it says hello world. So what this here is that this is function main. Now in Kotlin each and every script should have a main function. It's the function that runs most of our code. So fun is short for function. It's a keyword, and this is where I put all our arguments. You'll learn arguments in a different part of the course, and within these curly braces you put all our code inside this function. Now what this does is Println. Println is a function that prints out something that's inside these two parentheses. Now there's a string is a is actually some text, so this string is hello world, and so it prints out hello world like we saw. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change this hello world to happy birthday. Now if we run it, we should see happy birthday in the console after it finishes running. It says happy birthday. So now just like that, we have if you have watched my Python course, you know about variables. If you don't, then variables are like a value that we can store inside a specific name. For example, if we type val name is equal to the rogue hydra, then this basically creates a variable name and assigns the value the rogue hydra to it. So this is the keyword we use to define variables that cannot be changed. So this name cannot be changed later on. If you do want to make a variable that can be changed later, use var. So now I'll demonstrate it for you. If you put value name and now name is equal to value name is equal to, let's say, James, and here these two are underlined. Now over here this shows all the errors and warnings we have in our project. If you click on this, we can see all of the errors. Now it says we have errors in these two lines, so as it is correct, because we do have errors on these two lines, and we cannot reset the value name to something else. So we are gonna clear all of this, and so what you're gonna do is now you're gonna learn how to get user input. This is very useful when you're doing projects. So now type in value name. Actually no, you change this println to enter your name, and value name is equal to read line. This is a built-in function that reads the next line. So now if we run it, we can get user input. Now it says enter your name, and below you see we can type. So I'll just type the rogue hydra, and it didn't do anything because we just set the variable to that. So if we want to actually get a return, we can use the same read line and println name. Now this does is this prints out this variable over here. So now if you run it, enter your name, and I'll just type in the rogue hydra, and it says the rogue hydra because that's the value we entered to the variable name. So just like that, we can get number input values and variables as well. So if we set value my number to 2 and value my second number to also 2, and if we run it, it didn't do anything because we only set these two values. Now if we actually want to get a proper result, we can just write value my total is equal to my number plus my second number. This uses tab auto completion, so like if you want to write a variable or something, just type my second and you get the variable, and if you press tab it should come. And println my total. Now if we run it, it should return 4 because we added the 2. See, it returned 4 because we added these 2 into this variable and we put it here. So taking user input as numbers are a bit different, because now I'll demonstrate. If you type in println enter a number and then value my number is equal to read line, and then my value my total is equal to my number plus, let's say, 6, and println my total. Now if we run it, this is what happens. So it says enter a number, and if we enter 2, it returns 26, because over here they read the line. That means they take the number we enter as a string, not a number. So we have a special way of doing this, and that is integer dot value of read line. Now this is a built-in function of Kotlin that takes the value of read line as an integer. So it's very useful, and it is how you get number input or integer input in Kotlin. So now let's run it and enter 2, and it should return 8 because they added this integer to this. Now let's create some sort of login format. So println enter your username, value username is equal to read line. We are not taking this as an integer format, but we are taking this as a string because we need text input. And then println enter your pin number. And value pin number, value, let's just set it to value number. It is equal to integer dot value of read line, and then println welcome name username, your pin number is number. Now what this does is, this is a special character that is used in println statements. When you're printing it, it takes this variable from the script. Like if you enter this and set username, it takes username from here and places the variable here. So now if you run it, enter username. I'm gonna enter the rogue hydra. Enter your pin number. I'm just gonna 1234. Welcome the rogue hydra. Your pin number is 1234. So that's it for today's video. I will be doing more of this. So that's it for this video. I will be doing more episodes on Kotlin throughout the. So that's it for this video. I will be doing more episodes on Kotlin later as well. So please leave a like, subscribe, and share the video as well if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to always experiment to get practice with this language. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.